Hello guys. As you may have seen by the title, my Five Nights at Freddy's fan game that goes by Five Nights at Roblox has been cancelled. I made this decision to avoid potential legal action. This game isn't being made in Roblox, but it does use a 6 avatars like the Bacon Hair, Bacon Girl, the classic noob, etc. The game also uses the Roblox logo, albeit the old one, but I want to play it safe. It's been a month since they updated their policies about this kind of stuff, and I've been debating whether or not to continue development ever since I saw it. I don't want this game to potentially go down like the Jalebi series by Ivan G. At least I can recycle the concepts/ideas I had for this game for something different, if I ever do decide to use them, so I won't talk about much. Special thanks to all the voice actors who've shown passion towards my project. Kamskia as the CEO, It's Been It, or Sophia Cindy on Instagram as the phone girl, Brandon Finney as random employee, Jay Ive as the news anchor lady, Combat Tax as the Bacon Hair robot, and lastly Alison Profit as the Bacon Girl robot. Pulling the plug on this project was a hard thing to do. Thank you for watching, and I hope I haven't disappointed any of you too much. I have some ideas for the future.